Hello, I'm Pascal from Klīnika. This is Levin. We will demonstrate an adjustment on him. And don't worry, Levin, it will be not an experiment, it will be as a real chiropractic adjustment should be like. So you can cross your arms like so. And I will just feel how the spine is moving to check where the spinal fixations are. You can have a lie on the left side first, please. Then we'll straighten the lower leg. Keep the foot behind the knee. We'll bring the hip a bit to the front. Good. I will hold here and quickly push here on the spine. Good. You can stay in this position. So there will be another vertebra which we will correct. Deep breath in and slowly out. Then you can lie on the stomach, please. You can take a deep breath in and all the way out. Deep breath in and out. And again, deep breath in. We check the leg length to get clues of how the pelvis exactly is fixated. So we had a short right-sided leg to start with. After the adjustment, leg length leveled out. That's a sign that the sacroiliac joint has been properly corrected. You can have a lie on the back, please. So we always check the hips and all the other joints as well, apart from the spine. Can be fixations in the ankle joints as well. You can hold like this, take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Okay. Right, so this is what a spinal adjustment looks like. Typically we will still do some work on the muscles, later perhaps check a few exercises, and this is how we help to improve the spinal health. Thank you.